Alright guys, it's the last day to work on the project in class, so you should have already finished up where you wrote a paragraph about why it's a good idea to use a bank. You should have picked out your real bank, found the actual interest rates, found the list of fees, found your monthly service charge, wrote 2 to 5 sentences about why you chose this one. Then on Thursday, you're supposed to fill out your checking register, which is the Google Sheets that looks like this. And you're also supposed to fill out your checks and deposit slips so that they match. So you want, like, if I have 201 for UHS face mask, and I want 201 for UHS face mask, sign your name with the amount. And so they should match. And then you can make up all of these different things. The only things that have to be accurate are going to be your service fees, and the interest rates have to be tied to what you found here and put in there. So the last thing you have to do is you have to graph a balance using bar graphs. And I've already done your checking account graph for you. So this is what that looks like, and you can see how it goes up and down because it's the checking account. It's the one that we're spending money from. Now from the savings account, what you're going to do is you are going to click in the middle of the date and you're going to drag down to 1031. Then you're going to hold down the control key on your keyboard, and then you're going to press in the middle of the balance and click and drag down as well. So now that you have these two things highlighted, you can lift your finger off the control. You're going to go to Insert, and then we want to click on Chart, and it should automatically create this graph for you. If it doesn't, make sure that it's on column chart here, and it should automatically do that. And so you can see that with our savings it is going up. The only time it's not really going up is when we get our interest, and that's where we see that it stays about the same. So remember, on here, make up whatever you want to spend your money on. The things that I care about are that you have matching checks. So let's just fill out the UHS one for $15. And you'd put 15 and 0 cents. I'd put face masks. Then I would sign my name. And I need matching dates, so the date for this one was 9/1. Okay, so that is what I'm looking for. I'm looking to see, does this match that? Now the one that gives people a hard time is the interest rates, which if you didn't get how to type out this formula here, then you can go back and watch yesterday's video. And then I want the service fees to match. And the last thing that confuses people is the deposit slip. And the deposit slip is, you're going to fill out the date for the deposit slip. So the date should be 10/17, October 17th. And it could be a check if you want it to be. If it's a check, then you'd fill out the check number. You can make up a check number here and the amount here. Or it could be cash. So if I went and I babysat and I got paid $45, then I would fill that out there, and then I would also fill out the same amount down here. And the deposit slip is literally that simple to fill out. If I don't have a check that I'm depositing, then I would delete this. Now if it's like your grandma is sending you a check, then you'd write out the check number here and then the amount here. And I posted a video in Google Classroom that goes through how to fill out a deposit slip if you missed out on that. And then there's the 12-minute video that goes through exactly how to get the interest, how to fill out your checks, and do all of that. Let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully this clears things up and you'll be able to get a 100 for a test grade. Y'all have a fantastic weekend, and we will talk to you on Monday.